go to big guy. I go to Brody's playtime.
We have
Vehicles.
we have a vehicle.
No, mini off-road vehicle.
Okay, mini off-road vehicle. Can we take a look? You wanna bring it closer? Bring it, let's see. So that is what it says. Come. This is for age 6 and above. Yes, mini off the road.
7.
It's ready to run vehicle.
Okay.
Handsome appearance to have good quality and tenancy. Okay, what does it say here? Here it says uses 2 AA batteries that are not included under okay, and also the remote also uses 2 AA battery. Forward, backward, right turn, left turn. All right, there you go. You want to open it?
One chair. Not open. One chair.
We have to be careful, okay? So you don't hurt yourself.
Not very open. No battery.
No battery. All right, can we put the batteries?
No battery. I want to play truck.
Can we see? Let's see.
No battery. Mommy, there's no battery.
So this is on and off button.
Mommy, there's
Off.
no battery.
And then on. Now where do you take it off to put the batteries? Because it says ready to on. Alright, remember, let's see the pack and check where to put the batteries in. So if you're having difficulty opening this, because it shows that the battery is there, but we're not seeing anything here.
No battery.
So I'm guessing you push this in. That's the thing here. This comes off. But the problem is for this to come out is the problem. So it looks like, but there's no screw in here. I thought there might be a screw. Yeah, there's no screw. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's moving. The battery's already on this one.
Where is the lock? Oh, take off. Okay, and now take off. And now move this.
I've been trying to push this in here with the finger
You are going to be fake.
while pulling.
That you're going to be fake. It's going to be fake.
Alright, so I'm almost pulling that out. And then that is out. Oh. So that's where the battery goes. Right here, guys. We tried so much to pull it from under, but it was actually on top. So we're still correct. Daddy and I were still correct trying to. So Daddy and I were still correct trying to, because this thing didn't come with instructions. So this is how it works. So we were still correct by removing the front. All right, Mervin, we figured it out after 15 minutes. And then I don't know why this wire is here, but
Good.
Yay, it's on.
Oh, not on. You know.
So I guess that's the antenna or something. All right, let's cover it up. I mean, this was a technical process, but Mommy got it.
I don't want to eat your food.
Okay.
Mommy, I don't want to.
So you want to take off the battery next time. Let me see. Okay, it's not gonna come out like that. You have to pull here to take this part off. That's only where the battery is going to. I mean the cover is going to. Show you. Pull forward and it opens. So pull forward, like pull forward, or rather push, right? So push forward like so. So hold it, push forward, then up. That's how. Find your battery pack.
Mommy, I want more.
Okay, let's see. And that is for the front. And the back too. There's really nothing to the back, it's just the front part. Pull forward and open it.
Before I open it. Oh.
So for the back part, I had pushed in here, pushed while pulling. Okay, I pushed this. Okay, a little technical, but I guess it's safe for the kiddos. All right.
Bye-bye.
You can keep it. Take off the brown box. It's very fast. Take. Oopsies. You have to press the reverse. This is probably one of the only time you ever gotten. It's very fast.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye-bye.